Hello friends, once again welcome to our channel, Solar Tech. Today, we will explain you how grid tie solar plant works. As you can see on the screen, this is a basic schematic diagram of a grid-connected solar plant. Grid tie solar plant is a cost-effective solution for renewable energy. Solar panel is a critical part of a solar plant. Solar panels are basically of two types: polycrystalline and monocrystalline. Monocrystalline panels have higher efficiency than polycrystalline panels. Solar panels generate DC power from sunlight. A string is made by connecting multiple solar panels in a series circuit. Many strings can be connected to a grid tie inverter, depending upon the system design. Now, let us talk about grid tie inverter. A grid tie inverter converts DC power into AC power. Grid tie inverters that are available in the market are usually based on MPPT and have efficiency of more than 98%. AC power generated by grid tie inverter is connected to your home load. Grid tie inverter can export surplus generated power to electricity grid. A net meter provides details about units imported and exported to and from the grid. The electricity board prepares electricity bill according to the net meter readings and tariff. Now, let's see some facts about grid tie solar plant. 1. A grid tie solar plant does not provide any power backup to your load. 2. If grid supply fails, then the grid tie inverter shuts down automatically. 3. A grid tie inverter can't be overloaded, as its AC side is directly connected to the grid and the load fulfills the extra requirements from the grid if required. 4. Maintenance of a grid tie solar plant is significantly low as compared to other types of solar plants. 5. Almost all state governments provide subsidy on grid tie solar plants in India. So, solar grid tie systems are the best way to adopt green energy nowadays. If you need any information regarding grid tie solar plants, then please write in comment box below. We will soon meet you in our next video. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification when we upload our next video. Thanks for watching.